Well, hello there. Tell you what, a few things now that we're getting real close to the wire as far as the course is concerned. So let me start out with some info on your Excel projects. Okay. Remember that your project has to be done in Excel. See, that's the whole purpose of this course. Not the whole purpose, but the purpose, because this gets you ready to use Excel in your other classes. All right. So when you do your project, don't do your project in something other than Excel, because you're just going to get a grade of 0 and it goes right back to you. To find out your grade, all you have to do is, now in this case, you don't go to Gradebook in MyMathLab. What you do is you go to Blackboard, because you see your project is not tied up with MyMathLab. It's separate. So just go to Blackboard and go to your grade center, and there's your grade. Okay, and you'll see it. There's only one column of grades, okay, for Excel, so you can't possibly miss that. Okay, and then if you don't get 130, all right, just let me know and I'll explain it to you why you lost some points. Now, I've got about 4 people who are done with the course. They started early, and my guess is, looking at the grade book, I'm probably going to have a total of 10 by the end of this week. Your project, of course, is not due until a week from today. But anyway, so these 10 people, that's who I'm talking to right now. We got a little bit of a problem. Privacy laws at St. Ambrose are very, very strict, and they are getting more and more strict. So I can't give you your final grade. The only way I can give you your final grade is to post it on Beeline. The problem is, if I post it on Beeline for you 10 people and then submit it, the rest of the 11 people are locked out. And the only way they get their grades is by a letter from the registrar, which is a hassle and a nightmare. So you're going to have to wait until your grades come out after the end of the course. But if you want to get an idea, a very good idea what your grade is, here's what you do. Add up all your points from all of the assignments. Add into that your grade for the Excel project. Get a total point score, and then go to My Syllabus, and it gives you the ranges. All right, and just look what range you happen to be in. Okay, and that'll give you an idea of what your grade is. Now, the reason I'm saying give you an idea of what your grade is this: when the course is over, okay. Well, as soon as we hit that last day, I can't remember exactly where it is. I think it's the 13th. Okay, but don't quote me on that. I have to look at it. You know it. Just look at your syllabus. As soon as that course is over, okay, here is what I have to do. Okay, I do not calculate your grades right away. What I do is I have to do what we call in statistics an item analysis. Now, an item analysis means this: I have to go through every grade for every student, not every grade, for every assignment for every student in the class. Now, if I get an assignment where more than half of the class, in fact, if half the class, okay, get that problem wrong, then I got to toss that problem, get rid of it, because it's not, I consider that not valid. All right. So as a result, all right, I have to go through all of that before I determine your final grades. So those of you who will be done early, like I said, go through, do what I tell you to do, and whatever grades, let's say you should come up with a B. Okay. Well, that would be the lowest grade that you could get. See, that's not considering my item analysis. It could be that I throw that out, and that's going to raise your grade. See, so the only thing that can happen to you when you figure out your grade this next weekend, okay, the only thing that could happen from that is at the end of the course your grade would go up, okay, because of that analysis. Okay, and I think that takes care of it. Okay, good luck to you. All right, and again, we're nearing the end of the course. Goodbye now.